So a physical Dogecoin is literally going to be sent to the moon on December the 23rd by the Via Astrobotics Peregrine spacecraft. So Dogecoin moon landing is going to happen, and I think that this event is probably somewhat going to be hyped up, especially if cryptos and Dogecoin can continue pumping and looking bullish. And if you guys don't know who this is Yoshi. He is a real Shiba Inu, so he is a real Doge. So this guy is the actual mascot of Dogecoin itself. Can you believe it? Drop a comment in the video below if you want to see more of Yoshi. But look at this. The spacecraft will carry various mementos, including a physical Dogecoin and Bitcoin, sent by the crypto community and BitMEX, respectively. Elon Musk's SpaceX lunar mission Doge 1, originally intended to send Doge to the moon, and has been reportedly postponed for the first quarter of 2024. So another catalyst, a very exciting thing for Dogecoin. We're also seeing a lot of craziness happen today in the crypto markets. If you notice, a lot of cryptos, they've been pumping massively. But we got some breaking news that the SEC is now, they're going to be suing Kraken because they failed to register securities. They failed to do a couple of things. I don't think that this is really much FUD and that it's going to amount to anything. So if you guys hear about it, I would not worry too much about it. And now look at this. So the US is seeking more than $4 billion from Binance to end this criminal case. So if you don't know, they've had an open case against Binance. Binance had to leave the US with Binance US, that major crypto exchange. But look, the US is looking to settle with them for money, which is very, very good. And this is the thing that I believe, in my opinion, was preventing these Bitcoin ETF applications to get approved. Now, something very important that we cannot miss, there's a few cryptocurrencies, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Algorand. I'm not going to get into this, but if you want to look at the list, go on my Twitter, MilesGInvest. I type in MilesGInvestments, you're going to see me. But there's a bunch of cryptocurrencies that the SEC is now calling securities and that they're unregistered on Kraken. So this is causing FUD to these specific cryptocurrencies. I actually do think there's some more. But if you take a look at these cryptocurrencies, they have taken a pretty big dip after that news came out today. But Bitcoin is still holding strong. Ethereum is still holding strong. The majority of cryptocurrencies are still holding up strong as a result. And Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they pumped massively today. The past 2 days, cryptos have been pumping nonstop. But let's take a look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin also is correcting a little bit. It is not making new highs as everything else was today, like Ethereum, Bitcoin. They were almost making new highs today, but it looks like Dogecoin and a lot of altcoins are kind of cooling off here. Nothing to be completely worried about, as we are still in a bull market. Things are still very bullish, but we're just getting a healthy correction because Dogecoin just pumped up literally from the bottom to the top 50%. So after a 50% pump, Dogecoin is down 10%. That's going to be okay, guys. And notice that Dogecoin and all these other cryptocurrencies, they're not all pumping at the same time. One day you're going to have AVAX, one day you're going to have Render, one day you're going to have XRP. And that's kind of how the market is moving. So just don't get caught up in the FUD in the immediate short terms, a lot of craziness. But overall, a lot of very good bullish news came out today, especially with this whole Binance situation, that the SEC is willing to settle with them to put this case behind them. And we can also have the Bitcoin ETFs to be approved at any moment. So you guys better get ready. A very big move for Dogecoin, in my opinion, is going to be brewing, especially as we are now going to be approaching next month that this Dogecoin launch. I am thinking that, yes, we might get a big crash or correction here soon for all of cryptocurrencies after such a huge pump for the last 3 months. We've been going up nonstop. It would not surprise me for us to see a pullback 10%, 15% from our current levels for a lot of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin included. And then from there, that's going to be our buying opportunity before the next big leg up, especially for Dogecoin. In my opinion, it's not financial advice. Now, make sure you guys are in my Patreon where I'm posting out profitable trade alerts just like this one made 14%. This one I made 18%. If you guys want to have profitable trade alerts given to you every single week, guaranteed to your money back, join the Patreon right now. I made $1,000 on this trade on Friday. And I have some more trades coming this week that you do not want to miss. In addition, there's a lot of coins that are going absolutely crazy right now. And to find these coins, if you just use my indicator Algosniper, it's going to help you to find the bottom. Look at this. This is Near Protocol. with a buy alert from October 23rd. Look at this, 140% move up with the buy alert. And it gave you a confirmation with this big green dot. Also, it gave you a seller before this move, which was a 20% move. This thing works for every single cryptocurrency. And I urge you guys to try it today for free so that in the crypto bull run, you're going to know when exactly to get in and out of your favorite cryptocurrency so that you're not left holding the bag all the way down 90% and that you can actually get in trades very early. If you guys want to be trading cryptocurrencies in a very safe and secure place, make sure you use my Phoenix link below. If you open up an account using my link below, they're going to give you a free VIP tier, which means that you're going to have the cheapest fees on all cryptocurrency platforms in the world by using my link below right now. If you guys got anything out of this video and if you love Dogecoin, go ahead and smash up the like button. Make sure that you are subscribed with notifications on, and I will see you later and see you on the moon.